have someone who's willing to help you. Typically, your mom or dad are coming home from work, they're tired, they're exhausted, they love you, they care. However, they just want to rest. So don't be upset at your mom and dad if they don't want to, take you out. Typically, you're going to be driving on the weekend with your mom and dad. You're going to be getting that experience. You'll drive about an hour. And when you drive about an hour, you should be trying to make as many right turns as possible in the nearest lane, right? You want to drive in the nearest lane. You want to take your time. 6 hours is a good start. Every person is different. Some teens or adults, you can learn how to drive in 6 hours. Some it might be 8 hours. Some it might be 12. It really depends on what is comfortable for you. You have more questions, put those questions in. Tell your friend, hey, he's on right now, right? If I'm asking your questions, put a like in, put a heart in, right? The next thing I see, you got to be able to drive in different types of weather. You got to be able to drive